Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn few questions related to yesterday's topic. So yesterday we have learned three methods how to do by using substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication method. So today we are going to solve some example questions here. Example one: 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 12, comma 13. 5 by x minus 3 by y is equals to minus 2. Minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. Okay. These are the two given linear equation in two variables. We have to solve it. Now, if you observe here, it is not in that perfect form. Why? Because our linear equation should be in the form of ax plus by plus c1 is equals to 0. So, our variable x is there in the denominator. That is not at all suitable. So, for that reason, look at here. First, we will write given equations. What are the given equations? 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. Now, if you observe here, here also 1 by x is there, here also 1 by x, here 1 by y, here also 1 by y. So, I will take let 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. Means I am assuming 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. So, what the equation will become here? 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. 5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2. I got the two equations here. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now, after getting two equations, I already said that we have three methods. So, we can apply any of the method. So, let me do elimination method for this. So, first equation, I will multiply with 5. Second equation, I will multiply with 2. So, first equation, if I multiply with 5, it will become 10a plus 15b is equals to 13, 5, 65. Here second equation is 10a minus 8b is equals to minus 4. So plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this will get cancelled. So 15 plus 8, 23b is equals to 69. So b is equals to 69 by 23, that is 2 times. So b value how much we got here? 2. So substitute this b value in any of the equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. So let me substitute in equation 1. Substitute b value in equation 1. If you are substituting in equation 1, it will be 2a plus 3 into 2 is equals to 13. So 2a plus 6 is equals to 13. 2a is equals to 7. 7, 6, 30. A is equals to 7 by 2. A is equals to 7 by 2. So let me now our intention is to find x and y values, but we got a and b values. Now already I have assumed that 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. Now I will replace a value as 7 by 2 and b value as 2. So if I replace that, what is the answer we are going to get here? So 1 by x is equals to, what is the a value here? 7 by 2. So x, if I cross multiply this, it will become 2 is equals to 7x, 2 by 7 is equals to x. This is x value. And y value, 1 by y is equals to 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to y. This 2 is coming in denominator, this y will go here. So these are finding the x and y values. So in this type of questions, we will be assuming something as a and b. If they are similar terms, we will be assuming that. Now let us take another question for better understanding. Let us take example 2. Solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, comma 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So these are the two given equations. Answer given 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, comma 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So here we are able to see that common terms are 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1, 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2. So we will assume let 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a, 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. So if I am applying this, the equation will be replaced as 5a plus b is equals to 2. This is the first equation, and second equation will be 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. This is second equation. Now if you observe a and b values, see I have already said that while we are performing elimination method, either we can cancel with a values or b values. Now I can do first equation with 6, second equation with 5. Or else, if we are interested in b, here 3 is there, here 1, nothing is there, means 1. So first equation with 3, second equation with 1. Irrespective of sign, whether it is plus or minus, will not care, but only the numbers. Here 3 and here 1. Means in this question, what is going to cancel? B value is going to cancel. Now see here, if I multiply with 3, it will become 15a plus 3b is equals to 6. Next, second equation as such, 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Now, after performing elimination, while performing elimination method, we will be changing the denominator second equation signs. But here, directly it is getting cancelled without changing any sign. So we are doing addition here, not subtraction. We are doing addition. While we are doing subtraction, only we are going to change the signs. So 15 plus 6 is 21a is equals to 7. So a value will be a is equals to 7 by 21, which is 1 by 3. Now, we will substitute a value in equation 1. Let me substitute this a value in equation 1. So, what it will become? 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. So, it is 5 by 3 plus b is equals to 2. So b is equals to 2 minus 5 by 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 by 3, which is 1 by 3. B value also I got it as 1 by 3. So after getting a and b values, it is not the final solution. We have to find out x and y. So already we have assumed something as a and b. Here in this question, 1 by x minus 1 as a and y, 1 by y minus 2 as b. Now let me replace the a and b values here. Now already 1 by x minus 1 is equals to here 1 by 3. 1 by y minus 2 also I got it as 1 by 3. Now let me do cross multiplication. It will become 3 is equals to x minus 1. 3 is equals to y minus 2, cross multiplication. So 3 plus 1, 4 is equals to x. 3 plus 2, 5 is equals to y. Means if I transpose minus 1 and plus 2, it will be the answers. So x value is 4 and y value is 5. Let us take exercise question, exercise 2.6. 3.5. So this is first bit, sixth question we are doing. 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy, comma 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. 5xy. Let us see how to solve this. So here x and y is there, but a constant should be there. It is not there, so x is xy. So given 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Since it is not in the standard form, what is xy or xy? Let us divide everything by xy. So 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equals to 6xy by xy, comma 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equals to 5xy by xy. X gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, here xy. The left equation is 6 by y plus 3 by x is equals to 6. So 2 by y plus 4 by x is equals to 5. So this is the required equation. Now it is looking like our previous equation. We have to assume let 1 by y is equals to a, 1 by x is equals to b. So the equation will become 6a plus 3b is equals to 6. 2a plus 4b is equals to 5. 2a plus 4b is equals to 5. Now, these are the two equations. We will do by elimination method. So first equation I have to multiply with 2. So it is 12a plus 9, 3 to the 6b is equals to 12. Second equation into 6. 6 to the 12a, 24b is equals to 12. 6 5 is 30. So here this 12a, 12 is there, but it is not cancelling. So let us perform subtraction. Subtraction means here signs will change. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. So this 2 gets cancelled. 6 minus 24. 6 minus 24 is minus 18b is equals to here minus 18. Minus minus gets cancelled. 18 by 18 means 1. So substitute b value in equation 1. Let me substitute b value in equation 1. So 6a plus 3b is equals to 6. B value is 1 now. So it will become 6a plus 3 into 1 is equals to 6. 6a is equals to 6 minus 3 plus 3 going that means minus 3. 6a is equals to 3. A is equals to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. That is a value. So already we have assumed that 1 by y is equals to a. A value is how much here? 1 by 2. So cross multiplication y is 2. Next we have assumed 1 by x is equals to b. B value is 1. So x is equals to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So these are the final solutions. Next question. So question number 8. Same circuit, question number x. 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4, comma 1 by 2 into 3x plus y, 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. So these are the two given equations. Now if you observe here, it is looking something common for us. 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y. So since it is common, we can assume that let 1 by 3x plus y is equals to a, 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. We can assume like that. So the equation will be replaced as a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. And here a by 2 minus b by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. But because here 2 is extra, it is there in the denominator, that's why it will become 1 a by 2. So if I multiply with 4, it will become 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. This is our first equation. So your LCM is 2 only. Why? Because denominators are same. Minus 1 by 8. 2 ones, 2 fours. So a minus b is equals to minus 1 by 4. 4 if I multiply, it will become 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. observing first and second equation. Here 4b plus 4b is there, minus 4b is there. So without, while doing the elimination method, without multiplying first equation with some number or second equation with some number, no need of doing anything. Directly it is looking for us plus 4b and minus 4b. Directly we can add these two equations. So solving 1 and 2. While solving 1 and 2, it will be 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. 4a minus 4b is equals to minus 1. This two gets cancelled. 8a is equals to 2. So a is equals to 2 by 8. A is 1 by 4. So after getting the a value, we will substitute in first or second equation. Substitute a value in equation 2. Let us substitute. So 4 into 1 by 4 minus 4b is equals to minus 1. 4 gets cancelled. 1 minus 4b is minus 1. So minus 1 coming this side, it will become 1 plus 1 is equals to 4b. 2 is equals to 4b. 2 by 4 is equals to b. That implies 1 by 2 is equals to b. This is b value. That is a value. Now after getting the a and b values, the previous step what we have done, the same what we have assumed it as a and b will make that equal. So we have assumed 1 by 3x plus y is a value is 1 by 4. Next, 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b is 1 by 2. So it will become 4 is equals to 3x plus y, 2 is equals to 3x minus y. So we got another two equations here, but we are not able to get directly the values. So again, we have to perform double elimination method. So we can assume this as third equation and fourth equation. Already first and two are now. So solving 3 and 4. Solving third and fourth equation. That is 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x minus y is equals to 2. So directly it is getting cancelled. That's the reason we are not multiplying with any number. So 6x is 6, x is 1. So substitute x value in equation. Substitute x value in equation 3. So 4 is equals to 3 into 1 plus y. 4 minus 3 is equals to y. Y is equals to 1. So I got x value also 1, y value also 1.